So we are going to continue using logarithms to solve for our equations here. We have this equation 9 to the 5r, can you see it there? To the 5r power plus 104, that's equal to 8,250. And of course, we're going to use our calculators to approximate the solution to 8 decimal places. So we have 9 to the 5r power plus 104, that's equal to 8,250. Now, whenever we solve for a variable, for an unknown, we want to isolate that variable first. So we're going to do that by subtracting out the 104 from either side. So I'm just going to subtract out 104. And you could certainly use your calculator. So we have 8,250 minus 104. So we have 9 to the 5r. That's equal to 8,146. So here we have the term with the variable all by itself on one side of the equal sign. That's the goal first. So now that I have this, I could introduce the logarithm. So I'm going to write the logarithm of 9 to the 5r power. And of course, again, what algebra says what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So this will be to the log of 8,146. Now, what the power property of logarithms says is that this side, this left-hand side, can be written as 5r times the log of 9. That's equal to the log of 8,146. I can continue now with algebra. I can then solve for r. I'll divide this side by 5 times the log of 9. And divide this side by 5 times the log of 9. This will cancel, and this will cancel, leaving me with r. That's the whole idea. So I have r is equal to log of 8,146 over 5 times the log of 9. So now we can use our calculators, but we have to be careful when we use our calculators, because what we want to do is we want to make sure that we separate the numerator, the top half up here, from the bottom half, the denominator. So as we enter it, I'm going to type in the log of 8,146, close off that parenthesis, and then I'm going to divide that, but then I'm going to put in a parenthesis here. That's going to be this parenthesis right here. And I'm just going to type in 5 times the log of 9, close off the parenthesis for the 9, and then close off the parenthesis that is this one down over here. Then I'll go ahead and we hit enter. So this is approximately equal to 0.81969612. So now we're going to check that. I'm now going to take 9, raise that to the 5 times 0.81969612 power. Hit enter. And that comes out to be 8,146. But then I'm going to add the 104. Hit enter. And there's my 8,250. Very, very close. And we're done.